So when you say about data and you say treatment gap, so before 10 years the treatment gap was 70 to 80%, and right now also it is 70 to
Oh my
80%.
God. Hello, everyone. Welcome to RM Mental Wellness Podcast, Inside the Therapist Room. Today, we have a special guest with us, Dr. Chirag Parmar, a psychiatrist working in Hospital for Mental Health, Ahmedabad, for more than 10 years. सर ने पहले वीएस हॉस्पिटल, जीएमईआरएस हॉस्पिटल गांधीनगर में भी अपनी सेवाएं दी है और स्पेशली आई फील कनेक्टेड क्योंकि सर ने मुझे पढ़ाया है जब मेरा एमफिल ट्रेनिंग चल रहा था. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर, आपके ओपीडी बिजी स्केड्यूल में से टाइम निकाल के आप यहाँ पे आए.
थैंक यू वेरी मच मुझे यहाँ बुलाने के लिए, एंड आई एम वेरी ग्लैड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस इनिशिएशन.
थैंक यू सर. तो आज सर हम आपसे जानना चाहते हैं क्योंकि आपका इतना अच्छा लंबा एक्सपीरियंस है गवर्नमेंट मेंटल हेल्थ हॉस्पिटल में काम करने का, जो कि अहमदाबाद की इकलौती इतनी बड़ी सिर्फ मेंटल हेल्थ को डेडिकेट करती हुई हॉस्पिटल है. हम जानना चाहते हैं आपके इतने सालों के एक्सपीरियंस से कि क्या था मेंटल हेल्थ का पास्ट और क्या है प्रेजेंट.
दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, क्योंकि पास्ट मेंटल हेल्थ का वेरी वेरी डार्क था. दैट इज well known to everyone, and coming from there, at current stage, I think everyone is aware of their own mental struggles, and opening up for taking help, that kind of encourages us. So I would say that, yeah, we are going in right direction about individual taking self care, uh, institute taking care of their personal, as well as government taking initiative for mental health and stigma. Yes, for that part we are going in a pretty much very good direction, but uh, community at large still suffering from the stigma. Community is still not reached effectively with the simple mode of treatment for mental disorder. So that is, I think, we are still lacking. But overall, I would say past, present, yeah, we have done good work and we are going good.
ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग टू हियर. तो जैसे आपने कहा सर कि पास्ट बहुत डार्क था, अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा बेटर डायरेक्शन में हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. कैन यू टेल अस द करंट सिनेरियो. आपने हेल्प सीकिंग की बात की, स्टिग्मा की बात की कम्युनिटी लेवल पे. कैन यू शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द करंट सिनेरियो.
अच्छा, सो अगर अभी की बात करें ना, तो there are lots of mental health professionals available, particularly at urban centers. But in rural centers, yes, there are still no mental health professionals has been providing services on a regular basis. They might be going for once in a week or once in a month. That kind of services are there. So yes, rural population still requires mental health service, and that we have not able to provide yet. Again, stigma comes with the management of psychiatric disorders. So if psychiatrist is going to rural population and taking a kind of a doing OPD work and managing patients, then again the stigma attaches there, and patient usually kind of avoid this kind of situation, that mental की दवा ले रहे हैं और ऐसा. So when you reach there as a psychiatrist, again the stigma kind of prevents the service users to take the help. So what we are thinking, as a kind of a community psychiatry perspective, one important thing is that the service which we are providing to the rural population, which is quite large, and this service should be simple. This service should be kind of fitted according to their culture. This service should be provided from the already existing health system, where the trust is always already there. If I am going to another village and start my OPD, the trust takes time to build up. But those who are already providing their health services, if they can provide the mental health services, then obviously the stigma would be less. the trust is always there, and the reach will be quite significant.
Okay.
uh, so this is something called task sharing. Okay,
Task sharing.
whatever the
Okay.
task we have as a mental health professional, okay, we should share this task with healthcare workers. Healthcare workers who are working in primary health centers or community health centers, Ayushman Arogya Mandirs. Uh, these healthcare worker can be trained for simple sort of management like behavioral therapy, behavioral activation, or we can again say problem solving therapy. So as we know that nearly 70 to 80% population suffering who are suffering from the mental illness, they are kind of in mild stage. They don't require a significant amount of medication, or they don't require a structured cognitive behavior therapy. Okay, 70 to 80% people require some sort of supporting psychotherapy, some sort of behavioral activation, or this problem solving therapy, or coping strategies, sleep hygiene. So these are the things which can be delivered through layman or through health worker to the population which are
Right.
in need.
Right.
So if I give some example, Manas setup was there in Pune. Okay, there was one research in Zimbabwe, that is Grandma's Bench. In Nigeria, there were kind of a step up program was there. So all this program has used the layman worker or the local health worker to provide the some sort of psychological intervention.
True.
Under the guidance of obviously the district
Trained
psychiatrist.
professionals.
Okay, and these results are good. So the cultural aspect is also taken care of. We live in a culture where our problem solving is not kind of my own. मेरी अकेले की जिम्मेदारी ऐसा नहीं है. अगर if I have problems, so मेरे पापा भी उसमें help करेंगे, मेरे अंकल भी help करेंगे. So problem solving is shared in our community. Okay, also our community has kind of a strong social support or strong family support. So these are the system which we can use, and this system can be used if our therapy or our mode of management is culturally sensitive.
True.
And this culturally sensitive therapy can be provided at their doorstep with this some sort of simple training to healthcare workers. So I think this is this task sharing is one way we can train lots of people, and we can reach lots of people with simple management.
When
in
I
place.
was listening to I'll honestly say one thing. I remember back like 10 years back when I was a student. और जब मैं ऐसा सुनती थी कि अरे नॉट लाइक साइकेट्रिस्ट और साइकोलॉजिस्ट बट समवन एल्स इज प्रोवाइडिंग दिस सपोर्टिव दिस थिंग और अ फिजिशियन इज प्रिस्क्राइबिंग एंटी डिप्रेसेंट, तो तब मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता था कि आप क्यों कर रहे हो ना, ये काम ये आपका नहीं है. बट देन विथ ईयर्स एंड मोर देन ईयर्स विथ डेटा आई रियलाइज्ड कि अभी भी ट्रीटमेंट गैप इतना ज़्यादा है और इतने साइकेट्रिस्ट साइकोलॉजिस्ट अवेलेबल है ही नहीं. अब पर्पस क्या है ना, इंसान को हेल्प मिलनी चाहिए, जिससे भी मिलती हो जैसे भी मिलती हो. So then over years, and I think from last 5-6 years, this perspective have changed, and I've realized that okay, we are not enough in numbers also, and वही rural urban के हिसाब से भी. तो for students it is a good takeaway कि आपको अपने आप को तो training देनी ही है, but you have to make sure that you are training as you said ASHA workers or other important people who can further provide, as you said, support to the ones who required.
So when you say about data and you say treatment gap, so before 10 years the treatment gap was 70 to 80%, and right now also it is 70 to 80%.
Oh my god.
And so we as a psychiatrist, we as a clinical psychologist or another mental health professional, whatever number we are coming out in last 10 years, that thing does not make any change at all at the ground level. Yeah, we are again concentrated in the city area,
private practices and stuff. True.
And yes, here also a portion of population is only taking help. Rest is still not real. So I think in a community psychiatry, that is very important that we as a mental health professional understand that okay, this is not only our job, okay, and it can be done. The research has given us the evidence that this can be done in a very effective way. So I think as a mental health professional, when we are talking, and if the students are the group who is listening to us, I would say yes, they should have this kind of idea that uh, yes, everyone can manage some sort of minor
Hmm.
elements of mental illness with
Proper
standard
training.
training. Yeah, with
Right.
standard
Right.
training that can be done, and with
Hmm.
support
Hmm.
from the mental health professional that can be done. So we are, as a mental health professional, we need to support them rather than we need to have some
हाँ
sort of idea that why they are doing. Yeah, it's
हाँ
not
आई नो ऑलरेडी ये मतलब साइकेट्री वर्सेस साइकोलॉजी
psychology.
वाली वॉर
Yes,
भी अपने अंदर चले ही
चली
जा
रही
रही
है.
है तो भाई इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर स्टूडेंट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड टू लुक एट दिस फ्रॉम अ होलिस्टिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि अब यहाँ पे साइकेट्रिस्ट साइकोलॉजी की लड़ाई बाद में लड़ लेंगे पहले लेट्स फोकस ऑन द पेशेंट केयर कि जो अगर टास्क शेयरिंग से हो रही है फेयर इनफ जिस तरीके भी से भी हो रही है इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट विद दैट सर अदर थिंग आई हैड इन माइंड जो हमेशा स्टूडेंट्स जानना समझना चाहते हैं कि अगर आप यू यूज द वर्ड कम्युनिटी साइकेट्री तो अगर कोई स्टूडेंट है जो स्पेशली इस सेटअप में काम करना
Hmm.
चाहते हैं मोर फोकस नॉट डायरेक्टली फोकस्ड ऑन थेरेपी या वैसे बट उनका फोकस ज़्यादा है टूवर्ड्स increasing help seeking behavior stigma reduction campaigns from your experiences from your project experiences if you can share कि एग्जैक्टली ग्राउंड लेवल पे क्या हो सकता है कैसे चीजें हो सकती है एक्सेप्ट टास्क शेयरिंग
Yes. So right now, I think technology boom is definitely there, and
हम्म
technology can be helpful in so many ways. If I give example of Telemanas.
हम्म
So Telemanas is a free helpline.
हम्म
Anyone can call on this number 14416. It's a toll free number, and anyone can have a conversation with the counselor. So counselor is a person who is trained in with a basic counseling technique. They will listen to you, they will understand your problem, they will try to help at their level. And if they see that yes, there is some kind of mental illness is underlying this situation, then they will transfer this call to clinical psychologist.
हम्म
If clinical psychologist feels that okay, apart from the regular therapy I am providing, this client also needs medication, so
मेडिकेशन
they will transfer the call to psychiatrist.
साइकेट्रिस्ट
So this is three-tier system has been developed in this Telemanas helpline. It is 24/7 available in all languages all over India. If you are speaking Gujarati and you are living in Maharashtra, you call it, and the system will guide you to Gujarat
हम्म
Counseling Center. Okay,
हम्म
and your call will be diverted to here. Our counselor will talk with you and try to help you. Again, this conversation is totally confidential. No one can listen apart from you and the
हम्म
service provider who is the on the other end of the call. And see, now if I have any issue at any point of time, whenever, I can call this number directly.
हम्म
Only thing is that we have to tell them that
हम्म
this number is available.
Yes, it exists.
It exists.
Please keep
Yes.
it saved in your phone. It's like
Yes.
everybody, like ambulance or your customer care mobile network provider, you should have this number saved.
Same.
Telemanas, at any point of time, I never know what if I am suicidal, what if there's something, I have someone and something to just call and talk. Yeah. So,
So I think this is very good idea. We
hmm,
should call these operators that
hmm,
yeah, please add this number directly
huh,
to the directory. Yeah, that can be done. So I think this is one example.
hmm,
Telemanas. Another examples you must be aware of that Nimhans has been running so many projects,
hmm,
and these projects are basically on the self-help group.
hmm, hmm,
So patients taking help from the certain app or certain program, web based also.
hmm, hmm,
So they are kind of a chatbot or something like that. So
right.
yes, there are
Hmm,
help is available.
hmm,
Only thing is that how these client service users get connected with
hmm,
this help. I
hmm,
think there is some work needed to be done. So
hmm,
if someone wants to go and wants to do something for this kind of reduction of the treatment gap or reduction of stigma or anything related to mental health, I think they can capture these um, technology
hmm,
based services,
right.
and they can give this support
Hmm.
to any sort of gram panchayat or
Hmm.
any sort of community leaders,
Hmm.
and this will definitely work for certain group of people who are not able to reach
Hmm.
these mental health centers, or
Yeah.
they are in need but they are not coming because of
Hmm.
so many reasons.
True, true, true. Money is also
Money
a
is also reason,
major
yes.
factor in a country जहाँ पे अभी भी लोगों के पास वही डॉक्टर के पास भी जाने के पैसे नहीं, तो मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए तो आएंगे, वो तो बहुत दूर, थेरेपी के लिए आएंगे वो
थेरेपी
तो
तो बहुत दूर
बहुत
है।
ही दूर की बात है. पर हाँ, आई ऑल्सो रिसेंटली गॉट टू नो अबाउट स्पेसिफिक एप्स लाइक माइंड नोट्स
Yes.
एंड there's something also talk your life, something around
Hmm.
that. Also this push D
Okay, push
application
yes.
program developed by Nimhans. तो वहाँ पे मुझे बहुत अच्छा ये लगा कि आजकल लोग चैट जीपीटी पे ये सब डाल रहे हैं, ठीक है, जेमिनाई से पूछ लिया, चैट जीपीटी से पूछ लिया कि मुझे ये मैं क्या करूँ. तो उससे अच्छा अगर ऐसे ही बात करनी है तो उससे अच्छा एक एप्लीकेशन में बात करो जहाँ पे एक्चुअली सामने कोई एआई नहीं है, पर सामने एक काउंसलर है जो आपको प्रॉपर जवाब देगा. सो यस, दिस इज वन थिंग स्टूडेंट्स कैन प्रमोट in their friends, in their relatives to start with.
When you talk about students and when you
हाँ.
talk about this AI and
हाँ.
ChatGPT, all these things, one thing comes to my mind that okay, when we were doing our residence, yeah, certain systems were
Hmm.
not available. So yes, we have our own way of coping things. Right now, at this point of time, yes, the fast-paced life and the kind of a burden on health sector has led to significant stress on particularly those who are on the front row for this health service providing, okay, like resident doctors or we can say nursing staff, okay.
Yeah.
So I would like to ask you a question. How can they manage their emotional disturbance in providing these health services?
For as you rightly said, sir, every profession has its own challenges. But यहाँ पे
और
मुझे लगता है कि सबसे बड़ी चीज जो very practically speaking is always remembering at the back of your mind what are you doing this for, like the larger goal. क्योंकि आपको पता है आपको किस मुश्किल से इस गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में एडमिशन मिला है, देन ये जो आपको इतना एक्सपोजर मिल रहा है वो इनिशियल मंथ्स में ना वो याद रहता है, वो ग्रेटफुलनेस होती है, एंड हेंस वो मोटिवेशन की वजह से बैलेंस हो जाता है वो इमोशनल टर्मोइल. पर उसके बाद वो धीरे धीरे नेचुरली कम होने लगता है, वही फिर ग्रेटफुलनेस चेंज होके लोड बन जाता है. मतलब मुझे याद है एक पॉइंट पर जब हमने दिन में 7-7 आईक्यू किए थे, अब मैं सोचती हूँ कैसे किए थे, इट्स मतलब टेक्निकली नॉट पॉसिबल. पर मतलब at least what helped me or I could see what helps other people is number one, remembering it will pass in some time. It's a matter of 1 or 2 years. That's it. Number two, जो सारी चीजें हम पेशेंट से कहते हैं ना, कोशिश करनी है छोटी छोटी जहाँ पे भी पॉसिबल हो हम खुद से प्रैक्टिस कर सके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इवन टिल डेट व्हेन आई हैव 6-7 सेशंस अ डे, तो इतना टाइम नहीं रहता है कि मैं ब्रेक लूँ या ये वो, पर एटलीस्ट जो बीच में 5 मिनट का टाइम है, इफ आई कैन यूज दैट फॉर ब्रीदिंग and not for scrolling. Okay. That is one thing which can help. Even those 5 minutes जहाँ पे मैं OPD से शायद IPD तक वॉक कर रही हूँ, रेजिडेंट्स का, तो वो जो है टाइम, एटलीस्ट उस टाइम पे मैं कुछ तो यू नो आई नोटिस माई बॉडी, आई एम विथ माई बॉडी फॉर दोज 30 सेकेंड्स माइंडफुली. ये बहुत मदद करता है. एंड अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट बाउंड्री सेटिंग. व्हेन आई से बाउंड्री सेटिंग, सी हम वो तो रेसिडेंसी में अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते कि फैकल्टी का फोन आया और नहीं उठाया, आप मर जाओगे, है ना. पर एटलीस्ट जब आप अपने किसी पर्सनल कॉन्टैक्ट के साथ हो या आप ही फ्रेंड्स बैठे हो, तो मेकिंग श्योर कि यार चलो ना 10 मिनट, लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट केसेस एट ऑल. ठीक है, ये नया कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग केस जो आज देखा, बाद में डिस्कस किया, अभी नहीं, अभी कुछ बकवास करते हैं, कुछ रैंडम कॉन्वर्जेशंस करते हैं. तो समथिंग लाइक दिस कैन हेल्प from a faculty point of view. मतलब maybe people like you, supervisors, what you can do is probably once a month having like a 10-minute session जहाँ पे आप सब आंख बंद करके रूम में डांस कर रहे हो. This may really give you, it may be very awkward initially, पर इतना बॉन्डिंग होता है एंड दे जस्ट फील के चलो ठीक है यार, अब सर जैसे है जो स्ट्रेस दे रहे हैं, बट फेयर इनफ, वर्क्स. तो ऐसे छोटे छोटे लाइक माइक्रो ब्रेक्स, माइंडफुल मूवमेंट्स, whichever is your way of letting out, really helps people.
So आपने जो बोला, I think we are in some part, some sort of कि कैसे manage करें behaviorally, and obviously here the emotional intelligence is needed.
हाँ.
So what would you like to tell those residents, those who people are working right now? So what would you tell, how to practice, how to increase this emotional intelligence,
How to increase emotional
depth
intelligence,
of this emotional
depth
intelligence?
of
Yes.
this. One, I feel, or maybe this is coming from a psychologist's mind. First thing you do is get it tested. Like there's
Okay,
simple tools
yeah.
available that check your emotional intelligence. Go to any psychologist, get it checked first. कि अच्छा मुझे तो आपको डोमेन समझ में आएंगे. That do I need to work on empathy? Do I need to work on self-awareness?
Yes.
Do I need to work on emotional understanding or emotional expression? What do I need to work on? राइट. तो जो भी इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस के डोमेन्स है, आप समझो कि कहाँ पे क्या मेरा अच्छा है, कहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूव कर सकती हूँ या कर सकता हूँ. सो दैट्स फर्स्ट स्टेप इज वही बेसलाइन असेसमेंट व्हाट वी कॉल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सेकंड, ट्राई डूइंग स्पेसिफिक प्रैक्टिसेस उन्हीं सब चीज़ों को इंक्रीज करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे लगता है कि हाँ मैं समझ तो जाती हूँ कि मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है इस पेशेंट पे या मैं फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फील कर रही हूँ, मैं बहुत ही हेल्पलेस. गवर्नमेंट सेटअप में रेजिडेंट्स मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हेल्पलेस फील करते हैं कि अब मैं क्या करूं. आई वांट टू बट आई कांट, राइट. तो शायद मैं अंडरस्टैंड कर रहा हूं पर मुझे एक्सप्रेस करना नहीं आता. वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम विथ मेन अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स कैन नॉट एक्सप्रेस इमोशंस. देन ऑल यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन इज एक्सप्रेसिंग इट. फिर अगेन मेक अ लिस्ट कि फर्स्ट थिंग आई कैन स्टार्ट इज मे बी बाय सेल्फ टॉकिंग, journaling, then finding a good space, a friend or someone जहाँ पे I can open up and see how it feels. Again, somatic awareness. Okay, when I feel helpless, where do I feel that in my body? जो external stressors है, आप उसका कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते रेसिडेंसी के टाइम में. कुछ नहीं कर सकते. आप करने जाओगे आप निकल जाओगे. मतलब नॉट लिटरली, पर आप नहीं कर पाओगे. जो आपके पास एक ही कंट्रोल है, योर ओन सेल्फ. रिमोट कंट्रोल इज विथ यू.
That is very important for healthcare worker to understand your own emotion and to name it, what I'm feeling, and then everything starts from there. Yeah. So yes, thank you very much for that also. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So I'm sure this video will be very helpful to every healthcare professional, student, psychology student, psychiatry resident, and even other residents to understand one, what can they do for mental health awareness promotion, and two, what can they do for their own mental health. And thank you, sir, for sharing information. In part 2 of this video, stay tuned with us because we will be clarifying certain most common myths around psychiatry medication. कि ये पागलों के डॉक्टर जो दवाई ले देते हैं वो तो मैं नहीं ही लूंगी या नहीं लूंगा. तो उसके अराउंड वो मिथ आप अपने लिए कैसे क्लैरिफाई कर सकते हैं और आप एज अ स्टूडेंट और एज अ हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल कैसे यही अवेयरनेस लोगों में पहुंचा सकते हैं. सो प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड विद अस.
Thank you.